What six-figure job is in constant demand that AI still can't replace? 2026. What six-figure job is in constant demand that AI still can't replace? As AI reshapes industries, this role remains essential and high-paying. You need to know why it's still untouchable by automation today. Despite rapid AI advancements, certain jobs remain irreplaceable due to their human complexity and judgment. According to recent reports, roles like specialized healthcare practitioners, senior software engineers, and expert financial advisors still command six-figure salaries and see steady demand. For example, financial advisors who combine data insights with personal client relationships continue to thrive, as AI tools assist rather than replace them. This resilience highlights how some professions leverage AI as a tool rather than a threat. AI excels at data processing and automation, but struggles with emotional intelligence and complex ethical decisions. Jobs that require empathy, customized problem-solving, and human trust remain safe. For instance, financial advisors don't just crunch numbers. They navigate sensitive client situations and tailor advice to individual goals. This human touch can't be replicated by algorithms, making these roles indispensable even as AI tools become more sophisticated. Major financial institutions and healthcare organizations are actively recruiting professionals who blend expertise with interpersonal skills. For example, top banks have increased hiring of financial advisors to meet growing client needs for personalized wealth management. Similarly, healthcare providers seek practitioners who combine clinical expertise with patient empathy. This hiring trend underscores the ongoing importance of human roles that AI can augment but not replace. Looking ahead, professionals in these six-figure careers will increasingly use AI to streamline routine tasks, freeing time for strategic decision-making and personalized service. This synergy means the job evolves rather than disappears. Staying updated on AI tools and sharpening soft skills will be key to thriving. The takeaway? AI is a force multiplier, not a replacement, for these in-demand roles. To secure your place in this resilient career, invest in learning both technical tools and interpersonal skills. Courses in emotional intelligence, ethics, and client communication paired with AI literacy will boost your value. Employers seek candidates who can interpret AI insights and apply them thoughtfully. This balanced skill set ensures you remain irreplaceable in a world increasingly influenced by AI. What this means for you is simple. Certain six-figure jobs are here to stay despite AI's rise. By focusing on human skills like empathy and complex judgment, combined with AI knowledge, you can secure a high-paying, in-demand career. Stay ahead by adapting now. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the evolving job market and what skills will keep you indispensable.